Hey guys, so this is the Honor Magic4 Pro and it is a OnePlus killer.
Thanks.
So I have been using this Honor flagship with 8 Gen 1 chip for a while now, and yes, I am finally ditching the OnePlus 9 Pro which I was using as my main device for a year now. See, I had some issues with OnePlus like an okayish camera, not so decent software, and I was waiting for not so expensive alternative, and this Honor Magic4 Pro has got highest end Samsung level specifications at a price of a OnePlus. I also got this Honor Watch GS3 and it is paired with my Magic 4 Pro. So unboxing both these devices, here we go. So as it comes in this package, and I do like how Honor is still packing a power brick in the box, and that too 100 watts power brick. See, me, I love curve edges, and this device got deep dual curve edges with minimal chin and top. It has got a 6.8-inch high resolution display with high motion sync refresh rate, so all the max out specifications, and yes, it's a dual hole punch on top left corner for selfie shooter and time of flight for Face ID. Not a huge fan of that dual hole punch design, but still it's better than a notch, and again the 3D face scanning works fantastic. The icing on cake is an ultrasonic fingerprint scanner which is like faster than optical ones and works in water too. This device is officially IP682, so no issues when using it in swimming pool or washing it, something missing in the latest OnePlus 10 Pro. Now yeah, again I was using OnePlus for a year and the camera was like okayish. The Honor Magic4 Pro got an amazing camera setup with IMX766 main, super wide of 50 megapixel can shoot macros too, and a 64 megapixel periscope lens. This paired with a time of flight and a flicker sensor. Here are some images I shot using the Honor Magic4 Pro, and guys, see, color accuracy, details and dynamic range is fantastic. Yes, without any doubt is better than OnePlus and on par with Apple and Samsung, and in some cases even better than those two. Some videos I shot using this device at 4K 60 FPS, yeah, the stabilization was not that good, but overall it did a fantastic job. The best part about this device is 100 watts fast wired and wireless charging and 4600 mAh not so small battery. So can easily go for a day, and you can charge it 60% in 15 minutes, which is insane. The 8 Gen 1 is powerful but not power efficient, so gaming is super fun and smooth on this device, but it drains real quick. And the only thing which is sorta new for me is this Magic UI 6 based on A12. And honestly speaking, I'm not a huge fan of that UI. Yeah, it is sorta similar to Xiaomi's MIUI or ColorOS, and I'm a huge fan of Pixel Skin. So I wish we see something similar to that like Material U in the Honor Magic4 Pro. But hey, we have all the Google apps and services like Play Store and Gmail, and there are tons of new options and features in the software too. Yeah, I have a separate video coming on Magic UI soon, but just like Apple, Honor can seamlessly connect to smart devices like this Honor Watch GS3. And yes, I've been using this watch for a while now. It is an amazing watch, got curved display, slim finish, and it can easily go a day or two with a single charge. This smartwatch got all the functions you would expect in a high-end smartwatch, and so far I'm liking this combination a lot. This all guys, thanks so much for watching. Your thoughts in the comment section below, and I'll meet you guys in the next one. Like, subscribe and peace out.